is operated. When the blade are made of metal, flexing reduces the life due to the fatigue load. It has the more fatigue load as compared to any other rotor. With the rotor also is subjected above load, it may be serious damage. And also have some vibrational disadvantages. To the cost of blade, the rotor with more than 2 blade is not recommended. Yes, blade is a heavy cost. Rotor is more than 2, say 3 blade would be a slightly higher coefficient as compared than 2 blade. This type of blade have higher coefficient. It is a 2 blade. It is another diametrical representative. You can use the diagram to in your examination point of view. Horizontal axle multi-type windmill. Here we have some multi-type. This type of design of multi-blade made from the sheet metal or aluminum. The rotor have high strength to weight ratio as compared to other type of windmill. It should be within 60 km per hour. Oh, it's a very good. This type of windmill have good power coefficient, high starting torque, simple and low cost as compared than many other windmill. It's a multi-axis windmill diagram. And then sail type windmill. It is a recent development in the windmill. The blades are made with stretching out of the triangular pieces of canvas, cloth or nylon or plastics. This is no variation in the number of sail we can use. It should be run 60 to 80 rpm. Generally, windmill rotate a very slow rpm. It is less than 50, less than 100. It is not. Then only it is stable. Suppose it should be run at high speed, it is possible to damage. The construction details. Wind blade is have the blade hub and pitch to change, and then mounting bracket. It's about top side of the wind structure. Here is A and B. A is a transmission, and the B is the electrical component. Transmission gives some reduction here. Electrical we have the generator to generate the power. Bottom side is a structure. It should be produced strong supporting at the top of the product. The main component rotor, windmill head, transmission here, control and tower. Next we discuss about wind power in India. Wind power generation capacity in India significantly increased in recent years. Yes. As for 29 February 2020, total installed wind power capacity 37.669 gigawatt. It is the fourth largest wind installation power capacity in the world. First is China, second Canada, third is America, next is India. The wind power capacity mainly spread across the southern, western and northern region. In India, we are only capable to produce the wind power with a rate of 2.43 per unit. As Tamil Nadu is a top of in India. It is produced total 29% of wind energy in India. The government of Tamil Nadu realized the importance and need the renewable energy. The Tamil Nadu formed separate head office under the IAS officer to develop such type of wind farm. In Mupandal, we can produce 1,500 megawatt. Is a large wind power plant in India, second largest in the world and Asia. And then economic of wind farm. We can farm the wind farm one or more plant. It is a most economical benefit, including direct, indirect employment, land lease payment, local tax revenue, and lower electricity rate in wind-rich region. Yes, while project of specific impact on the factors such as location, size, and ownership, the overall economic impact to utility scale of wind energy development are easily identified. We can develop this type of wind energy. It gives the most economic to our nation. It's an essential element of planning and any energy development project. The estimation and understanding the project cost and benefit is a highly essential element. So wind exchange provides the information related to the economic impact from the wind energy development. Average wind energy cost. The average wind energy cost is nothing but it is mainly depending upon turbine size, project size, and then location. Average is typically fall into two categories, and then turbine cost and installation project cost. In 2018, the national average price of wind is below 5 rupees per kilowatt, and day-to-day increase it will definitely go to the 2 or 3 rupees. Wind energy facility provides some cheapest available form of new electrical generation available at that time. The utility scale wind power can also sold at a fixed price for a long period. Yes, this is definitely 20 years. It's a huge advantages. We have the part A questions. What do you mean by wind energy? Types of windmill. Advantage, disadvantage of wind energy. Component, function. Any one component. There is a generator, rotor, yaw, blade. Water is suppose it is possible to ask any one component. Advantage, disadvantage. It is a part B question. Types of windmill, wind rotors, dairies and gravity rotors, wind electric power generation, wind power in India. What is the economic advantages of wind farm? It is possible to ask. Thank you for listening. It's a big video, so we can split it two videos. You can utilize this. Kindly share your comment in the comment box. Thank you.